day 2 for the netcast for Unit 3, Week 1. Okay, so here's your next word. Treasurer. Treasurer. Pause the video, write your vocabulary word. Your definition is, a treasurer keeps track of money coming into or going out of the business. That's kind of what I do in the school store. Pause the video, write down your definition. Your example is, the treasurer reported that the business was making a good profit. Pause the video, write down your definition. Here is your question. What are some of the tasks of a treasurer? What does a treasurer do? So make sure you restate your question in your answer. Make sure it's a complete sentence. Here is your next word. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. This is a tricky word to spell, so make sure you pause the video and spell it correctly. Here's your definition. Something unfortunate is unlucky or regrettable. Pause the video, write down your definition. Here is your example. It's unfortunate that the first snowfall arrived before we had time to rake all the leaves. We don't have that problem around here. Pause the video, write down your example. Here is your question. What is an antonym for unfortunate? Make sure you restate your question in your answer. Make sure it's a complete sentence and that it makes sense. Try and find more than one antonym if possible. Your next word is wares. One syllable, wares. Pause the video, write down your word. The definition for wares is, wares are goods for sale. Pause the video, write down your definition. Here's the example. Small booths display the wares of the craftspeople. If you happen to have gone to Swiss Days in Santa Clara or up to the Tuacahn Market, that is what they're doing. Okay? They have a booth and it displays their wares that you can buy. Pause the video, write down your example. Here's your question. Where might you find wares? Other than those 2 places I just told you about. You need to come up with something else. Okay, make sure you restate your question and your answer. Make sure it's a complete sentence. Okay, here is your last word for this week's netcast. It is appreciation. Appreciation. Big word. Pause your video, write it down. Here's the definition. Appreciation means being thankful for something. Pause the video, write down your definition. Here is your example. The class gave Lily a gift to show their appreciation for her help. Write down your example, but first pause the video. Here is your question. Why do you think it is nice to show someone appreciation? Make sure you restate your question and your answer. Make sure it's a complete sentence. Really think about this one because we should always show appreciation to everyone that helps us. All right, that is your last word for this week's netcast. Good luck. Get it done on time. It's always due on Wednesday. Have a great week. See you at school.